I finally found a solution that works with my hostas and snails. Let me show you how to set this up. I've never had my hostas last for more than just a few weeks because the snail problem is crazy. I read that eggshells probably wouldn't work. I wanted to try it anyway. Obviously they do not. I'm hoping I can at least save this one. So we're gonna try Corry's slug and snail killer. So apparently this attracts the snails or slugs. So we'll see how this does, if it attracts them or not. And I will follow up in a few days. So this is what the pellets look like after it's been a month. And so it gets wet, they kind of turn weird, but they still work. Now, my hostas don't look great, but they're not being eaten by slugs. So it has been a month and it's absolutely working, even with the sprinklers getting this wet. This is, yeah, it's totally working. Very happy.